today we're basically just filming in industrial car parks in Manchester. On the surface, not very exciting, but I want to prove that to improve your videos, all you need to do is move. One of my favourite things about Manchester is that because it was so far up north, although it did get hit, it managed to survive a lot of the bombings from World War II. So a lot of the old architecture from the Victorian era, where we really tried to make things look pretty, exists. It's still here. So a lot of the buildings, even when they're in industrial areas, can really be very pretty. And because they have this architecture that's pre-existing, even some of their new builds, they really try to tie in with the old architecture. It just leaves for a really interesting city, just full of variety. There's something about Manchester and the way it's built that I really like. We are literally in an abandoned car park at the back of a sewage works. My brother and his business partner Dave are just off to go get some shots that they need to get for what they're doing. But it's proof that no matter where you are, there's always a cool backdrop or something that you can use to your advantage in order to make your video interesting, to add variety simply by shooting an interesting shot. It's this process of starting to understand that what you can do in camera can substitute what you have to do in an edit. By changing our location, by finding new things, by finding examples to talk about where we can show rather than tell, that enables us to make a much better video without really having to do anything different. I'm still just going out and shoot my video, there's just a bit of walking involved. What do you reckon the hardest part of filming is then?
It's mostly just making a coherent story with shots that join together. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you got a £70,000 Red camera or an iPhone. The fact the gap between the two is closing.
It is horrifically quick. Another reason why I'm a massive fan of changing location, as well as it just making the video more interesting, making the process of creating the video more interesting, it gives you the opportunity to break up everything that you need to say into small segments, which means that you only need to focus on your mind on a few bits at a time, a few pieces of the puzzle, and then you can stitch them all together later. It makes it much more simple to talk about whatever it is that you need to say in front of the camera. Actually, you know what? Being in places where there's no one, where it's kind of a bit more industrial and a bit more out of the way, is actually a really good place to go film because it's just dead. There's no one about. Telling a cohesive story that people can get attached to, people can understand and people can really enjoy is definitely a big challenge. But if you're able to take that main point, that main lesson that you are focusing on, breaking that down into individual chapters, messages to speak about, and then going out and finding a different location and transitioning between each point in a new place, it's really going to improve how interesting your story is, and it's really going to help you do a lot of the work in camera to make your videos that bit more interesting. See you soon.